Hello guys, we're making a paper button spider. Let's go. Okay guys, so we need to fold it like this. Which is the favorite
music manual that you have. Post the jam with your friends and share your favorite songs with the entire squad.
We will fill in
You
the
can also play your favorite albums in any order with unlimited skips and repeats. All of that and more.
The account number or the ID number, of course, the invoices, the dates, the years, and the invoice. So we have an example here. These are already labeled, invoice amount, and of course we need also to check if there's a change of mode of payment. However, for this example, the mode of payment our account class wasn't changed. It's from OLNC from the start. So after we fill in the details, we will move forward on plotting the transactions that happen on both systems. The subtitles already plot those transactions. And once we plot those transactions, so on matching the transaction if it is processed on both systems. So of course, I already cross-matched all the transactions. And for this scenario, we have found that the item was processed. So for all the things that the item was not be processed. Since this is still collectible,
Don't make a mistake.
so here, for the reconciliation, we have, or we are involved. First is the system bag. So for the system bag, we are engaging with engineering team through IT and since we don't have any visibility on the back system on the status yet. So the engineering team to check if there's a bug or system issue on the back. So next issue or next scenario is our document. So once we have found out that there's a need of some adjustment on the account, we will reach out to the through TSM. So we will create a TSM ticket and transfer the ticket to then lastly, we are encountering the system design. So we have these of issues. We have these of issues for this kind of scenario. These are the that we are encountering. And for this one, the issue is due to system behavior. What we're gonna do here is to manually fix the issue to that one. So next one, the next step after providing the resolution of the account is daily monitoring of the account resolution. So we will check that one. The ticket or the resolution that we have created is already resolved or needed access from our end. Also with this step, we help the engineering with any needed from our end, and if there's a new transaction na account, we will update the resolution that we have written. And also for this step, the DNC extension takes place if the DNC still needed for that account. So next one, once the resolution has been provided and subsystem NCMAP are balanced and notified on the account, we will proceed on providing the statement of account to our customer. So once the restriction of the account has been resolved and issue has been provided and certain signals are already balanced and no discrepancy in both system, we will proceed on
Okay guys,
providing
this is the end of
treatment
this
of
video.
our
So it's going to use the tutorial to trust me.
and we
Like that,
will
it fixed
proceed
it.
on
I'm going to
providing
go
the
to
manual
the
SOA
player.
to our customer.
Open the subscription app for more fantastic play.
Since we already
And yeah,
provide
also
the
for your
statement of
players.
account
Bye-bye.
and all the